What do we know about meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites? A sand-grained to boulder-sized rocky body that travels through space is a meteoroid. Meteoroids that have entered the Earth's atmosphere travel at about 52 kilometers a second, as measured by radar on Earth. Friction heats these meteoroids to thousands of degrees Celsius, which causes them to glow. The atmosphere around the meteoroid's path also gets hotter and glows because of friction between the meteoroid and the air molecules. A bright streak of light that results when a meteoroid burns up in the Earth's atmosphere is called a meteor. A meteorite is a meteoroid that reaches Earth's surface without burning up. Meteorites reach Earth. Meteoroids come from the asteroid belt, Mars, the Moon, and comets. Most of these meteoroids that enter Earth's atmosphere do not reach Earth's surface. Many meteoroids explode in the upper atmosphere. These explosions are often recorded by military satellites in orbit around the Earth. Other meteoroids get back into space after briefly crossing the upper atmosphere. However, some large meteoroids that enter Earth's lower atmosphere or strike Earth's surface can be destructive. Scientists estimate that a destructive meteorite impact occurs every 300 to 400 years. Meteorites have different compositions. Meteorites can be divided into three general groups. The first group of meteorites are the stony meteorites. They are the most common form of meteorite. Stony meteorites are made of silicate materials just like rocks on Earth. Some stony meteorites also contain small amounts of organic matter. A much smaller group of meteorites are the iron meteorites. Iron meteorites are composed of iron and nickel. The rarest group of meteorites are stony iron meteorites. Stony iron meteorites are composed of both silicate materials and iron and nickel. All three groups of meteorites can originate from asteroids. However, some stony meteorites come from the Moon and Mars.